happy Friday, and thanks for tuning in to our daily headlines. I am Lana Hill. It is September 19th, and we have a few updates for you as we head into the weekend, starting with an important message on disparities within our schools. HISD students are making real gains, closing gaps with the state in every subject, and even outpacing their Texas peers in some. But averages don't tell the whole story. There can be a huge gap between a school's highest and lowest performing students. This is the topic of our latest For the Record, up now on the YouTube channel. Also new to the channel today is HISD and Union Pacific have teamed up to keep you and your families safe around railroad tracks. In this latest video, Union Pacific provides 5 tips to always remember when you are near the tracks. Check it out for more. And all this week, we have been at Kolter Elementary for our Campus Close-Up series. Kolter is a shining gem in HISD, known for its exceptional language immersion program that empowers students to become confident global citizens. With a vibrant modern campus, Kolter combines academic excellence with cultural richness, fostering creativity, curiosity, and community. HISD Now's Trey Cerna spoke with a group of students about the Language Magnet program and all the great things they love about their school. Check out the story right now on our YouTube channel. And all the stories we did this week are in this playlist on the channel. Just look for the one labeled Kolter Elementary. Well, next week, we're taking you to Waltrip High School. This campus started the year off on a high note, going from a D to a very high B in the accountability ratings. We caught up with Principal Margaret Randall before heading out to the school. Be on the lookout for that conversation. It'll be posted to our YouTube channel on Monday. Also on the channel, you can find all our campus close-ups. These spotlights are a chance to get a look into our schools and hear straight from principals, teachers, students, and parents who are proud of their schools and the hard work they do every day. Tonight, the Wheatley Wildcats take on the Yates Lions in one of the longest-standing rivalry games in the country. The matchup goes all the way back to 1946 when it was called the Turkey Day Rivalry. Now dubbed the Fall Classic, the two teams will once again hit the gridiron tonight at 7. We caught up with Athletics Director Andre Walker to talk about the history behind this game. You can catch that conversation right now on our YouTube page. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to HISD Now on YouTube so you know when new content goes up every day, and have a great weekend.